everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, let's go ahead open our WhatsApp app. So once you open our WhatsApp, this kind of interface will open up, right? So let's go ahead first block a user. For example, this is the user. Go ahead, tap on this. So tap on that user, tap on this three dot given beside, tap on this more option, and go ahead block this user. And we will go back, tap on this three dot again on your top right corner, tap on this settings icon, go to this privacy option over here, scroll down, go to this blocked contacts, and you will be able to find all of the contacts that you have blocked so far. So if you would like to delete a particular one, what you can do is simply go ahead, press and hold, and you have an option called unblock that person. You cannot delete that person from that particular blocked section. So this is the option, right? From here you can only unblock that person. Let's go ahead, open our contact for the matter. That will help us somehow. If we go to our contacts and search that particular person's contact name, you can see this person we just blocked, right? So what we will do is if we tap and hold and tap on this delete option, move to recycle bin, that particular contact is deleted. Now go ahead, go to WhatsApp. If you will see that the person's name will be removed but the contact will remain, because this actually collects your blocked data, right? So you cannot totally delete that person's account or name over there. You can actually delete the account name or can unblock simply. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.